There are 1 billion smokers in this world, and that number is only going up. And that's not counting the closet cannabis connoisseurs that are popping up in numbers. But let me tell you a secret. Smokers know smoking is bad. It says it on every single pack that they buy. They just don't care. It's their choice to smoke, and they want to smoke. We don't want to take their choice away from them. But their choice should not affect everyone else around them. And that's why we want to stop the clash between smokers and non-smokers and allow our smokers to enjoy their cool, authentic smoke, but within their own personal space. So we created a solution. Smask, a smoke filtration device that eliminates fume and odor, captures all the ash, and has a drastic reduction of secondhand carcinogens. It works in 3 steps. First, the user inserts their cigarette, factory-rolled or hand-rolled, into the device. Next, they inhale from the device, upon which it internally combusts. And finally, they exhale back in for full elimination. This journey started 2 years ago with a tabletop version in the backyard. 10 prototypes later, and lots of help, and I mean lots of help, from our design team and engineering team, we've been able to produce a sleek, sexy, functional iPhone-sized product. And the best part, and the part that I'm most proud of, is we've created a 4-stage filtration system that is capable of filtering out 99% of secondhand carcinogens. And we have a patent for it. Through this journey, we've got a lot of interest, not only domestically, but internationally as well. We've even been able to establish distribution partners in the South Asia region. High demand is a common theme in such industries. That's why companies like Juul, the electronic vaporizer, who are trying to solve the same problem but using different technology, have been able to launch only 3 years ago, sell 20 million units a month, and now be valued at $15 billion. We're preparing for the same scale at Smask. So we've built a team that's capable to take that on. It consists of my partner Lenny and I, who built 2 companies together over the last 6 years, as well as our 2 in-house engineers, Kevin, our fluid dynamics specialist, and Marco, our firmware guy with 10+ years experience. But in hardware, design is important. And that's why I've been fortunate enough to bring on the design firm 11. They're industry specialists, working with 20+ brands for P&G, Samsung, OXO, Burden, Keurig, the list goes on and on. But the right team is not enough. So we also attracted the right advisors, which include people like Ted Lanes, the ex-CFO of MedMen, a publicly traded company that has been coined the Apple Store of weed. So over the last 2 years, we've been part of 3 accelerators from which we've raised $80,000 and have been able to build 10 prototypes. We've still got a little journey ahead of us. And over the next year, we plan to work alongside the FDA to build a manufacturable product that we will launch in the US. Now, this is my favorite slide, because whenever we show anybody our margins, they think we're smoking something. But my manufacturers will assure you that we're not. The device retails for $150, and the filter retails for $10. We have a cool 80% margin on both. But the filters last 1 month. That means it creates a recurring revenue model. So a one-time purchase means it's a lifetime purchase. This time next year, Smask will be the only product on the market that is capable of filtering out 99% of secondhand carcinogens. Stay tuned.